Hello, my fellow people. How you doing today? Hope you are doing well. Stick around. I got this right here. Hello and welcome to the Woot Tractor. I'm Paul Wooters and it's time for Marvel Collector Corps Thor Love and Thunder box. Ba, 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 ba. I don't know what happened. The I Am Groot box came out, seems like less than a month ago. So maybe they finally caught up. I don't know. Anyway, Thor Love and Thunder. I did get a spoiler though. I was looking at some stuff on Pop Price Guide and I did see this. One of the pops that's in here. So, but let's check it out. Let's see what we got. We got our t-shirt on top. Ooh. Could that be a blacklight deal? Let's take a look. Dun, 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 dun. It's pretty colorful, I gotta say. Well, if I can get it up there. It looks blacklight to me, kind of. Anyways, there it is. Very cool. Let me give that a try. Ooh. It is I don't know if it, well, it could be a glow in the dark. I don't know if I can turn off enough lights to, well, I'll show a picture at the end if it is glow in the dark. Because I've seen that glow in the dark things do react to black lights. So, could be. Who knows? All right, let's see. Should have a sticker. Oh, here's a pen. Let's see. Oh, this is, what's his name? Gorg, I believe. So there that is. And it should be a sticker. Oh, here's the card. Let me set that to one side without looking at it. And I don't know what that is. Is that Thor's logo? I don't know. Anyway. Very cool. Let's see. Let me get these tilted out of here. All right, are you ready? Boom. Okay, who do we have here? This is just Thor. Okay, my eyes are going bad. Ever since my surgery, my eyes, everything's just blurry, so I can't really see. Hang on, let me get my glasses. There we go. That's better. All right. So what do we got? We got Thor. This is okay. I don't know what that is, but okay. Once I see the movie, this will make sense. He's all full armor Thor going on there. Very nice. All right. And and Lady Thor. Nice. Are they both glow in the dark? No, just this one's glow in the dark. All right. Well, very nice. All right, so I guess that's it. And that's in the box. Keeping everything. Sorry. All right, so link to my channel or my eBay page down below. Everything's kind of taken down right now because I'm not supposed to be lifting stuff, but it'll be back pretty soon. So not to worry. All right. So that is it. So let's take it for a little spin and get a closer look. Here we go. A little drive by. All right, well, there you go. There you have it. So my favorite, I'm going to go with this one because it's got the glow-in-the-dark thing. They're both awesome, but I'm going with this one for the fave. All right, so that's it for Marvel Collector Corps' Thor Love and Thunder box. I'm Paul Wooters. That's the Woot Factor. See you next time.